Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Out in the shop tonight and we're doing a quick walk around inspection and talk about the things that we need to look at for the preseason maintenance on this 2007 Yamaha Phazer Mountain Lite. So starting up here on the front right side under this gray cover, you're going to want to take that off and you're going to want to check your antifreeze, which is going to be right up here. You'll have to loosen these back two screws to get in there and take a look at that. You want to make sure your antifreeze reservoir is full. You're going to want to check your battery, make sure it's in good shape, not leaking and not discharged or low. Then you're going to want to check your chain case fluid and change that out. You're also going to want to change or adjust, at least check the adjustment of your chain case tension. All those things can be done under that side cover right there. Walking around the front, you're going to want to check out your skis and your wear bars on the bottom of your skis, make sure they're in good shape. It's fairly unlikely that the air cleaner would get dirty on a Phazer, but a mouse or something could get in there and make a mess, so you want to open up the air cleaner, make sure everything looks good in there. You're going to take that off and check your belt, make sure it's in good shape, your clutches are in good shape. Make sure the belt is not sitting too high or too low in the secondary clutch. Make sure it's all okay under there. Going around to your controls, you're going to want to make sure everything is in good shape, nothing's loose or sloppy or broken. Make sure all your equipment's working properly. Your instrument panel, make sure it's good, no trouble codes. Check your fuel, make sure you have the right kind of fuel and plenty of fresh fuel. Also check your insurance, registration, that sort of thing. Make sure you're in good shape there. Coming around on the track section, you're going to want to do your lubrication of all your suspension. You're also going to want to check your Hyfax at the bottom to make sure they're not worn past the wear mark on those. Check your scratchers. Also check all your wheels and your track. Make sure everything's good there, nothing's cracked or broken or missing or seized up, because those bearings can get some rust in them over the summer and lock up. You want to make sure your toolkit has everything you need in it. Make sure your exhaust is in good shape, not rusted out or loose. Check your seat. You don't want your seat to have a rip in it or something that's going to catch on your feet as you're trying to move around. And check your lights as well. So that pretty much covers everything on the Phazer, just kind of a quick walk around. So hope everybody enjoyed the video, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.